Hi, I'm Danny Lipford, host of today's Homeowner. You know, one of the more popular projects these days is to add a shade structure to an outdoor living area like this pergola. But there are a few things that are very important to consider if you're thinking of building one of these. First, you want to use a material that will stand up to the weather and resist termites. Here we use pressure-treated pine, but cedar and redwood may also be good options depending on where you live. Next, you want to keep that wood looking good with stain or sealer. Now the trick here is to cut out all of the pieces and apply the stain before assembly, because it's a lot easier to apply stain with the lumber on a set of sawhorses at waist level than standing on a ladder 12 feet up in the air. Once the stain is dry, it's ready for assembly. With a large structure like this one, each piece can be pretty heavy, so make sure you have plenty of help. Once the posts are plumb and secure, you can start installing the horizontal pieces. To simplify getting them in the proper position quickly, we used a nail gun to tack each board in place. This allowed us to come back later and drive in long lag bolts to properly secure the beams without having to support their heavy weight. On a pergola like this, you want to maximize the shade while minimizing the amount of space the structure takes up on the ground. So we supported one end of the pergola on the roof of the house with special brackets designed for that purpose. On the other end, we positioned the two posts in an adjacent planter, freeing up the entire patio surface. Instead of mounting several wood joists overhead to create shade, we chose to suspend a shade sail from the four corners of the pergola. So there's always plenty of shade to make your outdoor space even easier to enjoy.